My father and Javed Sahab, they are men, they're still men because they want to be men. और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए फॉर डेट्स और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया फॉर व्हाटएवर, शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी है, कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको टैग कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग खराब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था.
And I'd love to ask you, the spark or the idea of creating this docu-series, when did it come about?
I think Zoya started this, and Zoya and Farhan came to me, to all of us, and I thought that was the best thing that could ever happen.
Fantastic.
And I believe that they were the highest paid writers then. They're not leaving that position only. Even now, look at this. और ये तो अच्छा है, they didn't pursue acting. They didn't write for themselves. नहीं तो look at them.
So handsome.
आजकल भी ऐसे दो हीरो नहीं मिलेंगे आपको.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
है ना?
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I must say, I have one of the finest co-hosts with me today, and that is Mr. Salman Khan. Thank you so much, sir. It's so lovely. Reema.
मैं फेंके हुए पैसे उठा लेता हूँ. आजकल बहुत उठा रहा हूँ.
What is your favorite film of the two of them?
I've liked all their films, but for me, Diwar, Zanjeer, Dawn, Sholay, अब कितने नाम ले कि जब हम we produce a film, I'm sure even Farhan and Zoya must be revisiting all their films.
When did you realize that your father was no ordinary man but the Salim Khan?
क्या सवाल है ये? अब इस सवाल का जवाब तो कुछ और ही होगा कि जब से कुछ समझ में आया तो सलीम जावेद ही समझ में आए, बाकी के कोई नहीं समझ में आया.
All of the women on the docu have said, you were brats. You were brats. You were not humble, and you knew your worth. Some of those women are sitting right here. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. It's so wonderful.
No, I must, in all honesty, accept that Salim Javed has stepped on many people's feet, but to begin with, those feet should not have been there.
Of all the names, you went with Angry Young Men, which is, I think, the perfect name for this docuseries. But how did that come to you?
It was Zoya's idea. I mean, even when she had the idea first, she knew that it will be called Angry Young Men.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, and we discussed it back in 2018. She already knew it's Angry Young Men. And I thought it's a fab name.
Truly is.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it epitomizes everything the docuseries is about. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
So
Manish.
this Brad thing is two people writing, giving hit after hit, hit after hit, hit after hit. And now they have to refuse a lot of producers, a lot of actors. तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि ये लोग अपने आप को समझते क्या, इनका दिमाग खराब हो गया है. दिमाग इनका नहीं खराब हुआ था, दिमाग इनका चल ही रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा था क्योंकि ये हिट पे हिट दिए जा रहे थे. और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए फॉर डेट्स और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया फॉर व्हाटएवर, शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी है, कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको टैग कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग खराब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था. जिन्होंने इनको ये बोला है वो उनका दिमाग खराब है. You know, one thing, I've worked with a lot of writers and so has Farhan, with a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children, have, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, cinema से उठा के cinema में डाला है. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed Sahab, they're men, they're still men, because they want to be men.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.